How to win government contract with no experience. Unison Marketplace. The majority of opportunities on Unison Marketplace are for products and some services. Typically, there's no requirement to have any experience providing the product or service. They are simply looking for the best price. As it is a reverse auction, you need your cage code to register. It's a very easy, user-friendly portal. For instance, they recently had an opportunity on there for dog food in Guatemala. You just simply needed to find a supplier, the dog food in Guatemala, have a connection in Guatemala to make sure that the food was delivered accordingly, and bid. As far as the past performance, while you probably don't have experience, I know I don't have experience delivering dog food in Guatemala, the actual supplier does. You don't need to always have the experience. Often you can use the experience of the supplier, the subcontractor. The government will allow you to use that to further validate you, and it minimizes risk. Also on Unison, there are opportunities that are a little less complex than canine food. It could involve books for bureaus of prison, training horses how to do different trots. These are opportunities where, once again, you're identifying a vendor on Google, Facebook Marketplace, Angie's List to provide the product or service, and you're providing the best price. And often there's no questions about experience, or if there even are any questions, you leverage the past experience or past performance of the company that you have identified to provide the product or service. Subcontracting. I obtained a lot of my past performance by subcontracting, where I was a 1099 who provided paid services to another business. They were the ones with the contract. They handled contract management. They handled invoicing. I just simply provided the service, be it analyzing data, diversity and inclusion related things, training and development. I was able to leverage my past performance doing that for different opportunities throughout the federal government, because the experience was still there, but I didn't need the past performance to get the opportunities for the subcontractor. Why? Because they needed the skill set that I had. We all have or can offer some type of skill set in which a prime contractor is willing to pay you for it. And all that does is give you experience. Vast majority of state and local opportunities require very minimal past performance. And especially if you live in the state in which that opportunity is needed. Let's say, for instance, you're in the state of Missouri. There's an opportunity that's there, you're headquartered in Missouri. They're going to want to give it to a business in Missouri to help support the economy in Missouri than someone like myself who's in Florida. This provides you the opportunity to get in there through dialing for dollars, calling the points of contact, attending events in your state so that they know you, they think of you, and it minimizes the risk. So although you may not have the direct experience that they're seeking in a particular opportunity, they know, like, and trust you. If you haven't already, pick up my book, winnerswaybook.com, winnerswaybook.com. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and as always, everything is possible. Take care.